Welcome back everybody, this is Logan with Flathead Outdoors. Today I'm going to be installing a Kydex keel guard on my Lifetime Tamarack Angler. If you guys watched my last video, you saw me install the rear guard, so in this video I will only be doing the front. Okay, I finished putting on the adhesive on the keel guard and it's looking pretty good. It's got the outline on it just from the wet adhesive, but that'll dry up a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you think there's something I could have done better. I'll see you next time.